kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Light green color, black color, orange color, grey color, pink color, purple color, dark green color and neon color. Let's start. Blue color. A for apple. B for boy. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for frog. G for girl. H for home. I for eyes. J for jug. Blue color and red color. Black color. A P L E apple. B A T bat. C A T cat. D O G dog. E G egg. F R O G frog. G I R L girl. H O M E home. Eyes eyes. J U G jug. A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for frog, G for girl, H for home, I for eyes, J for jug. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.